Beauties, welcome back to my channel Forever 21. So as you got from the thumbnail that today's video is all about DIY under eye gel at home only in rupees 200. So आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं about how to make under eye gel at home with only 3 ingredients, simple and easy to available 3 ingredients. The main thing about this under eye gel is that I've told you that it is made up of only 3 ingredients that are easily available in the market as well as at home. So before we continue, I would like to tell you that I've already used this under eye gel since few months, and guys, really I'm telling you, it is so awesome and it is so soothing and it gives me really a cooling effect. It reduces my dark circles, my puffiness, it even hydrates my under eye area. So I like it a lot, that's why I'm sharing this video with you people. So here we start. First is we'll take aloe vera gel, then second almond oil, and then third is vitamin E capsules. We'll take aloe vera gel 1 teaspoon, almond oil 1 teaspoon, and vitamin E capsules 2 capsules we will use. All three will give you the texture like this that I have shown you in the picture, and you have to store this. You can store this under eye gel easily for few days in refrigerator, like you can store it for 15 days. And you can, one more thing that I would like to add is you cannot use aloe vera gel that is like if you are having a plant at your home, you cannot use that aloe vera gel. You have to use the normal aloe vera gel that you use at your home that suits you. You can use that. So as I've told you about the under eye gel, now I'm going to tell you some steps, some simple steps that you can follow and you can reduce your dark circles. So first is you should wash your face with cold water, and you can rub your ice cubes, you can rub ice cubes under your dark circles as well. And the other is you can use under eye roller or face roller. It will give you a cooling and soothing effect. Seriously guys, eye rollers are a must you can have at your home, so that it gives you a cooling effect. Really it is awesome. And the other one is you can use cucumber slices as well, you can use potato slices as well, and you can even use green tea bags on under eye area. It will definitely help you out. Green tea bags would help you a lot. And the other is try to avoid using phone, TV, laptops just before going to sleep. Try to make like 1 hour prior you keep your phone aside before going to sleep, as well as when you get up in the morning, try to avoid using phone 1 hour or half an hour after you wake up. And the last but not the least, that is to take adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours. That is also a must for reducing the dark circles. So that's all for this video, because guys, I'm letting you know this video, I'm sharing this video because I think that I've used this under eye gel and it is working a lot for me. I think it will work a lot for you. And do comment if you have any query, as well as do comment how it is working on your skin. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.